Hey guys, I am going to show you how I achieve my bun with short hair. So I'm just gonna get started, and first thing I do, I will spray my hair with some water. My hair is short, relatively short, but I can manipulate it very easily. So once I apply the water, I go in and I part it in four. The reason I'm parting it in four is because I am going to comb it out so there are no tangles when I apply the gel. I start from the end all the way down to the roots. And as you can see, my hair is very easily manipulated with just water. Doesn't require much. So this is one. And I untangle what I have worked with. It almost like stretches it out a little bit, you know. And for the record, if in case you're wondering, I haven't relaxed my hair in over 5 years. I had a haircut, I braided, I put weaves, I put crochet, but I have not relaxed my hair in a long time. I just brush up because the back of my hair is actually softer than the front, like so. And I want it to be a top knot, so I brush as high up as possible. And then I just collect the hair together. I still have not applied any gel. Make sure I grab everything. And I got one of these hair ties at the beauty store. And I just go in around it a few times. And I tuck the excess in like so. This is what we're working with right now. And then I go in with a finer bristle brush like this. And I just brush back. The back will look like that. And you just go around it and make sure you have no flyaways. You can also put some mousse if you want to. I go in with a ponytail that I made from just braids. You could use Marley hair, you could use any type of braid you want. This is from a crochet hair that I bought, and I just took it and created a ponytail. So I go in like this. Make sure it's nice and tight. I go around my own hair. Okay, this is looking a little more like what I like. Make sure that it's nice and secure around your natural hair. Just clip it around so it doesn't move too much. Now I am liking this now. So once I have it the way I like it, all around, I go in with a little bit of Argan Oil Style and Shine Foaming Mousse, like this. I go in with some edge control. Any edge control will do. I prefer to use the black one just because it covers my edges well, and you know, any other imperfections I may have to match my colors. So I go in like so with an edge brush, and I just brush it in. See how we're looking? We are looking good. I tie it around. I try not to disturb the bun because we do not want to go back in there again. We hold. And you can leave it tied for as long as you want. I normally leave it for a few minutes because that's kind of all I need. And I will come back. I just leave it tied for a few minutes. Here we have it in about a few minutes. Normally I might leave it a little longer, between 5 and 10 minutes. But today I will take it out so you can see. And then we just lift. And voila, we have our bun.